Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC. I have the E-flite UMX Air Tractor. What a great little plane. Let's go fly this thing. Here we have just a bit of wind. Let's use half flaps. Throttle cut off, and let's go. And I just love this thing. Woo! Okay, those flaps are doing their job. That was out of safe. Such a cool little plane. I like to call it the low wing timber. It has a bit smaller wheels. Seeing guys using turbo timber wheels for it. Just flies so great, so aerobatic if you wanted to. But it can also do nice and slow. Let's see, full flaps. Just a bit of throttle. Don't have much wind. And flaps off, full throttle. Was into the wind. Okay, let me bring it lower so you guys can see something. Just gliding down, half flaps. Full throttle, up it goes. That is because of the flaps. I'm using the 300 3S. Wow, look at those clouds. Let's try another. Ooh, it's a bit slow there. What am I doing? I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's try a roll. And a loop. I don't know if that was a loop. Okay, let me bring it lower. That's no throttle. The prop's just spinning on its own. No dusting to do this time of year. I don't know, I think not. I have no idea about farming, but this is such a great plane. It would be cool if you could add some spray nozzles on this and drop some, I don't know, steam or something, like with the vapes. And the color, the yellow with the blue accents, it's just great. You can see it better if I'm coming from the right, opposite of the sun. Let's try it that way. Just a minute 20 on timer. Past. Minute 20 past. I still have 3 minutes 37. Well, anyway, it has telemetry. It will shout at me if the battery gets low. So not worried about that. That's why I love Spectrum so much. Not the smart batteries. I'm the proud owner of 0 smart batteries. But I do have some Spectrums. 1S for UMX Twin Otter, and a couple of these 300 3Ss. The only reason I got them because anything else I had didn't fit the UMX Radiant. Sorry for that. They are pricey for what they are. I think they're 20 euros each, the 3S ones. Something like that. Where'd it go? And this plane is so fun. So easy to fly. Those lights, not really visible now. And I think one of the blades on my prop, actually I don't think, I'm sure. One of the blades on my prop is a bit bent because of how I put it in the box. But it's still flying. I've had a bunch of flights with it like that. It's a bit noisy, but doesn't seem to hurt it. If I ever break the prop, maybe I'll replace it, but if it's not broke, why worry? Okay, let's try full flaps. See how slow can it go. You know, this is with the little wind that I have. Ooh, man, those hills up there. I haven't seen them like that. Or at least I haven't noticed them. With the sun shining on them. Still full flaps here. Presentation pass, I think that's what it's called, but I think I need to coordinate my ailerons and rudder. Not really good at that. Let's try it again. Ooh, nope. I'm doing something wrong. I think it should be like a knife edge, but I'm not used to doing knife edges. Yeah. Haven't practiced those in a while. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a guy on a dirt bike. The hell's behind me, I think. I can hear him. Let's see if we can see now. Passing through the sun. Not that bright. Have a few clouds. Ooh, look at the puffy clouds. Haven't seen them this way. How much on the timer? 138. Okay, let's try some flybys this direction. There goes. That's those crops. Had a little bit of snow, but not even enough to cover everything. I don't see the guy on the dirt bike. Okay, let's get back on this side and see if I can get a decent landing. Still have a minute 20 on the timer. I think it only starts about above 35-40% on the throttle. Haven't been pushing it too much. Okay, let's practice some landings. Nice and slow. Okay. Flaps. Ooh, no. It's coming right towards me. And the car. Maybe I should stand a little bit this way. Okay, let's try again. Still 1 minute on the timer. Pretty amazing. Flies good on 2S, but why not fly it on 3S if you can? Ooh, the sun's coming out from the clouds. Okay, flaps again. It wasn't that bad. Okay, let's try another takeoff. this way this time. Flaps off. Let's try landing from this direction. One wasn't bad. I hear a car coming, yeah, but I think it's far away. You know what? Oh, I won't risk it. Should I? I see some headlights. And I hear a car. Okay, I won't risk it. I'll just fly around slowly a bit. Yeah, there it is. I see some other headlights, but they're a lot further away. So I'll have time between two cars. Ooh, it looks so nice from this angle. Too bad it's so far away. Okay. Clear on the left. I see the other car coming. Should I? I'll wait for that one as well. This thing can just float around. I'd rather not risk the plane, or even worse, damaging the car. Although I don't think this can do any damage to anything, but you know, it can scare someone. Ooh, it looks so nice. So nice. Love this plane. Wonder how it would do on floats. I know the real ones have floats. It isn't officially compatible with the UMX floats, but I've seen guys doing it. Ooh. Okay. No, that was bad. Let's try it again. I was half flaps this whole time. Just now landing, I switched to full flaps. But I think it was too steep of a descent. Okay, let's try it again. Full flaps. Ooh, ouch. Not great, but not terrible. Can I taxi out of there? Nah. I'll just go pick it up. So, this is it, guys. Ooh, that was a really long flight. If you stuck this long with me, thank you. Flaps up. Got a bit of dirt on the wingtip, but other than that, it's fine. Look at it, how beautiful it is. And the sunlight. Woo! Love this plane. If you don't have one, get one now before they discontinue it. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, leave some great comments, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!